Here's the GMD-1. Here at CADRail. Now he could be coming here to pick up these locomotives that we saw earlier. And let's see if that might be the case. This GMD-1 locomotive is some 50 years old, built in 1959 for CN. This particular one was last owned by Southern Railway of British Columbia. It's still in their blue and black paint scheme, which is what is the tip-off for me. Now, these switches are quite rare, and they were designed actually for branch line service on CN for moving passenger trains as well, because that front part of behind the cab, that short low hood, was for a steam generator. Let's see where he's gonna move. Oh, he's moving up. So he's gonna get something, I guess. He's gonna hook onto some cars and bring them down. Yeah, so he's gonna come back in a minute or two. So in the next clip, I'll show him coming down the ramp.